Smile, Dylan. Can I see you smile? Paano mag-smile si Dylan? This.
Oh, what's this?
What's this?
Oh, dinosaur!
Oh, what's
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Filipino actor na si Dennis Trillo, nagbahagi ng cute video kasama ang kanyang anak na si Baby Dylan. Ibinahagi ni Dennis sa kanyang IG story, kung saan cute na binibidyohan ang kanyang anak habang pinapasmile si Baby Dylan. Talagang napaka-adorable at bibong bata at napakakulit. Manang-mana sa kanyang mommy Jeneline Mercado, marami na namang mga fans ang matuwa sa bagong cute video na ibinahagi ni Dennis. Narito at ating panoorin ang nakaka-good vibes na video nito, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel, para sa iba pang celebrity updates.
Smile, Dylan. Can I see you smile? Paano mag-smile si Dylan? This.
Oh, what's this?
What's this?
Oh, dinosaur!
Oh, what's this? No, it's a rubber duck. What's this?
Papa, I'm gonna be a dinosaur!
Dinosaur? Oh, there. It's a dinosaur. Oh, okay. You're right. What's that?
So,
What's that?
dinosaur.